after graduating, I did some jobs and didn't like the idea of a boss. So I finally decided to go on my own and start my own company. And then I married Geeta, and she started helping me, and we grew to 6 people.
We were in a boutique design studio space, and we ran a lifestyle business. And in those years, we'd actually collaborated with our friend Tanay, and it just seemed perfect for us to actually join hands and make something bigger, because I think the ambition bug has bit us, and we wanted to make something bigger. And Tanay and Priyanka said yes, and Fractalink was born
As a private limited
as a private limited company. That was in 2010, and in the last 8 years, we've grown to become one of the largest studios in the experience design space in this country. 2 years ago, we were acquired by the Dentsu Aegis network. And when the story ran in the papers, I think the next couple of days, the phone rang off the hook, and big institutions, banks, everybody wanted to meet with us, to advise us on what to do with this wealth. So I knew Chitra from school, and one fine day there was some article about finance in the papers, and there was a picture of her, and I recognized her. So that was, I knew that Chitra was MFA, and then a client of mine gave Chitra my reference. Somewhere I knew that we'd need help with finance, and when Chitra reached out, I think everything just fell into place.
I think the timing was very right.
Yeah, the timing was very right, and we met in person, and there was an immediate comfort that we felt with her. And this was about 2 years ago now, and we've been guided by her ever since. So when we met MFA, the first thing they actually took us through was this very comprehensive goal setting kind of an exercise. They made us think about things that we didn't even, it hadn't even crossed our minds, about how to safeguard future, how to plan for eventualities. And this was something that was so different from what we used to do, because earlier you had some money, you parked it in FDs, and with no advice, and you, at least for us, it was when we had some amount of cash, we'd then invest in real estate. But yeah, MFA actually opened a whole world of very planned finances for us, and everything is now very, we know why we're doing what we're doing, as opposed to ad hoc investment.
Yeah, we were very risk averse, and we would not invest in any stocks or mutual funds or anything. So with MFA, our eyes were opened with this, and after going through the process, we realized that we could invest in mutual funds and slowly increase our risk appetite.
So now, when it comes to any sort of financial decisions or guidance that we need, it's pick up the phone and speak to MFA for anything. For example, we've had a couple of real estate, an office and a home that we've sold in the last couple of years. Plus, with some amount of money coming in from the acquisition, we've had to do a fair amount of capital gains planning, which MFAs managed to guide us. It's these kind of things that again you would not have thought of.
Yeah, we would have been completely lost without MFA.
So now any financial decisions, any financial advice that we need, it's pick up the phone and speak to MFA. So as an entrepreneur, I think we have enough challenges in running our business and growing our business. We have our own targets. We want to achieve things in a certain amount of time. A financial coach is very good because they then take the burden of worrying about your finances for you, and they enable us to concentrate on what we do best and on what we have knowledge of. And I think that is something that we've completely sorted. We're completely sorted on that because of MFA.
And they also have a holistic picture of all your finances. It's very important that finances are interconnected. Like you get a lot of advisor who will advise something on, like, this is how you should do your mutual funds, or this is how you should do your taxes. But the entire complete picture of all your finances and how everything is linked, that MFA is providing us, and that is helping us a lot. And managing finances was a big stress for me. Now it's not, and that makes me really happy. that my money is taken care of, and I can focus on making myself happy.